Observe this figure. Here we have a design made up of silver wire which forms the circle and also the 5 diameters of this design. We need to find the total length of the silver wire used and the area of each sector of this design. As diameter of the circle is given 35 millimeters, radius will be 35 upon 2 millimeters. And length of the wire used will be circumference of the circle plus 5 times d. That is 2 pi r plus 5 into 35. The value of pi is used as 22/7 or 3.14. Putting the various values and simplifying, we have 110 plus 175, that is 285 millimeters. Next, we have to find the area of the sector. What is the shape of this area? It is a sector. We can define sector as a region bounded by 2 radii and an arc of a circle. Area of a sector is given by theta upon 360 into pi r square, where theta is called the angle of the sector. The radius of the sector r is equal to 35 by 2 millimeters. Now let us find out the angle theta. As there are 10 sectors, theta will be equal to 360 upon 10, that is 36 degrees. Area of each sector will be theta upon 360 into pi r square, that is 36 upon 360 into 22/7 into 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. Cancelling various terms and simplifying further, we have 386 upon 4, that is 96.55 millimeters square as the area of each sector. This was all for today. If you want to watch other sessions on area related to circles, you can click on this link. And don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you in the next session. Goodbye for now.